Hi, so this is day 7 of my 14-day free trial with Carnivore Trading, and I just wanted to share what's been going on. Hey, I'm Rebecca. Thanks for joining me on the Mamalorian Way, where, to be honest, I'm just a mom trying to figure out the best ways to bring financial stability to my family. I am no financial advisor. Please don't take my advice. I'm not giving advice. I'm just giving education and finding the things that I'm curious about and maybe it could work for you. Last week, I posted a video about carnivore trading. One of my friends had said she was investing with them. Disclaimer, she's not investing with them. They do not take your money. She's taking their advice, making trades on her own, and she's seen a really, really good return. So just as a recap, I'm going to go and visit Carnivore Trading's website just to remember who they are. So here we are, Carnivore Trading. What this is a subscription-based service. I'm going to go to our secret sauce, but it's Carnivore Trading. Who they are a group of professional traders that deliver to its subscriber family instant text alerts for trades that they're doing. So I have been doing this for 7 days. I got 7 more days of my free trial. I use Robinhood, no commission trading app, to be able to do trades. I'm doing very small ones. What Carnivore does, they're not a brokerage. They don't take your money. They don't trade for you. They don't manage your money. They send you text alerts saying, this is what we have in our portfolio. This is what we're buying. This is what we're selling. And then they give you an end of the day market wrap of winners, losers, thoughts behind what they're looking at in the future. And they also provide target what you're looking for, a target, like you buy a stock for $30 and you're looking for it to sell it when it's at 50. And they usually provide some kind of target date for that. What you get in your subscription, and this is what I have been experiencing, daily text updates, and they are either under alerts, which is a call to action, like we are buying. They never tell you to buy anything. You don't have to buy anything that they're not selling, that they're suggesting. They say we are buying stocks here, and we're buying a little bit, or we're buying a lot. Or it's hit a target, we're selling. Sometimes it's just like, we're not doing anything. Stand by, which is more like an update. And they give to the moment information. So they may say the market's opening kind of flat. We're not making any suggestions right now. Just stay tuned. They say if they're buying more of a certain stock, and they are pretty transparent, or they're very transparent with their own portfolio, what they own, how much percentage of their portfolio is made up of one specific stock. And they also say, okay, we're taking profits now on this. We're selling, or we're selling partial. And then there's an evening text where they give you a link to their famous market wrap. And it's a daily weekday newsletter, big resource snapshot where the market is hot, cold, the winners and the losers in the carnivore portfolio. So they're real transparent. They're like, these are winners, yay. And these in our portfolio didn't really do so good today. I said it's an excellent detailed overview. It's kind of an oxymoron of the market sectors and why Carnivore has picks in each of the sectors. In like in media or in biotech, they may say we have a pick in this area, in this sector. And this is why, and this is what we are looking at for performance. I did some trades this week. I really only bought, and I did not buy everything that they had in their portfolio. I picked things that resonated with me. And here is my 7 days. So it's, take it for that. It's 7 days. Stock A. Now in Robinhood, just a sidebar, in Robinhood, you can buy either stocks, or you can buy, like, I'm buying 3 stocks, or you can say, I want to buy $50 of this. So sometimes I did stocks in this, and sometimes I did, I did shares, pardon me. Sometimes I did shares, and sometimes I did just a flat dollar amount. So this is my cost basis for stock A, B, C, D, and E, and I did change some of the numbers just to keep it confidential. These are my cost basis, my total cost basis for these 5 stocks, $336. So I've got skin in the game, but I'm not going to go broke for this. The market today is where they are, and that's this little chart. So my stock A, it's down a bit. Stock B, it's up a bit. Stock C, D, and E, pretty much the same, but over the course of really 5 days, I'm not surprised. This is where it's kind of interesting. So for the share price for each of these stocks, this is $20, $39, $241, $26.66. Again, they're not exact, by the way. Target to sell, and this is the information that you'd get from Carnivore, is with each stock, what target price would you want to be looking to sell? So if you bought stock A for $20, your target to sell, you're looking at the market for when it's approaching $30. And sometimes they have a target date for when they think that target price is going to be reached, and sometimes not. In this particular one, they didn't. And I changed these two. It's accurate enough that you'll get an idea. So the target to sell, buy it for 20, sell for 30, buy it for 39, sell it for 65, buy it for 241. They have two targets in this one. 291 is my target I'm looking for that buy. $26 target to sell 33, but this one is coming up pretty soon, like in a few weeks. So I'll keep my eye on that. And 66 sell at 81. So I went through my cost basis, and then if all of these stocks sell for the target and I sell them on the target, that would be what my unrealized gain is here. So my cost basis was $336. If I sold them at the target price from Carnivore, unrealized, I haven't done it yet, $467, which that is actually in about 6 months, if we say it's to the end of the year, a 33.8% return on my money. And in 6 months, that's really pretty awesome. So I'm going to hold on to these stocks no matter what, with the target that I know the target selling price, and see how they go. I don't have a lot in the stock market. One thing I really do like about Carnivore, and I'm not going to go to it, the daily market wrap I think is proprietary, is the learning that you get out of it. I think if you just read that daily market wrap and did a little bit of trading like I'm doing, in a few months, you would be so much more savvy than you are presently, even if you do know stuff about it. I'm going to check back with you guys in 7 days, let you know. Maybe I will have bought a few more. I'm going to, so far, give it a thumbs up. I'm not talking about returns because it's way too early. But I think their process, and I think their information, and I think their delivery through text and the newsletter, super on point. Have a great one. I'm Rebecca. Like, subscribe. See you next one.